Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is We All Are Equal. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, we are going to start reading and comprehension of this unit. And before this, in English for grade 4, we have already learned how to apply while reading strategies to interact with text, pre-reading strategies to predict the text. So we are going to extend the learning and we'll use pre-reading strategies to predict content of text from topic and pictures and locate specific information to answer short questions. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah At-Tawbah verse 119, O you who believe, be careful of your duty to Allah and be with the true ones. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse tells us that whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to. O you who believe, means all the men and women who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should be careful about your duty towards Allah, right? So no matter, there is no difference in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there is no difference among males and females. All are equal and all are responsible for their acts, and Allah is saying be careful about your duty to Allah, right? So beta, this verse tells us that we all are equal, okay? So I tell you, equal doesn't mean same, okay? We are equal, but still males are different, females are different. So how we are going to learn this message from this unit? Let's see. First, you tell me, do you think girls should also be allowed to go to schools the same as boys? Do you think so? And why we all should be treated equally? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you are my smart children and you understand. Yes, girls should also go to school because we all are supposed to gain knowledge. This is compulsory for all of us, no matter it's a girl or a boy. We all should go to school to get educated. And why we all should be treated equally? Because Allah treated us equally. And we all are answerable to Allah. And for example, girls are supposed to offer namaz and boys are also supposed to offer namaz. This is duty to all of us, okay? The only difference is girls will offer namaz at home and boys will offer namaz at masjid. All right, this is what equal means. We are equal. We are equally responsible for our duties, what Allah has assigned to us. Okay, so within our boundaries, within our limitations, we are supposed to fulfill all our responsibilities. Okay, so let's start reading. Open your book and I'm going to start from the very first sentence and listen carefully because after me you are supposed to read it. It was a delightful Sunday and everyone was at home. Mother was preparing lunch in kitchen. Father was reading newspaper. Roha and Fahad were playing nearby. The mother called Roha and Fahad from the kitchen. Now you see, beta, this unit is a dialogue form conversation. That's why this is the scene which has been sketched before starting the conversation. What's going on? Mother it's a Sunday, so it's a off day. Everyone is at home. Mother is cooking lunch in the kitchen, and father is reading newspaper, and Roha and Fahad, who are two children, they are playing nearby, right? So now the conversation starts. Mother, Roha, take out plates for the lunch, and Fahad will fill water bottles. Mother is saying to Roha to take the plates, and mother is saying to Fahad to fill water bottles. Fahad, Roha, you should fill water bottles. I am playing. Roha, Fahad, filling bottles does not take much time. Fahad, it's your duty. You and mother should do the household tasks. You see, he thinks I'm a boy, so why should I do this kitchen stuff? Roha is a girl, it's her duty. Do you think he's right? No? Okay, so let's find out what happens. Why did Fahad refuse to fill the bottles? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children. Now, Father says, come here, both of you. Fahad and Roha. Sure, Father. Fahad, household tasks are the responsibility of your mother and sister, but you can help them if they need your help. And what does responsibility mean? Need of high priority, right? No doubt it's their responsibility, but it doesn't mean that you are wasting time, you're just playing and you cannot help them. If they need your help, this is what Father is saying. If they need your help, you are supposed to help them. All right? Fahad. Okay, Father, doing your own work by yourself is sunnah. Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Khatimul Nabeen Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to do his work by himself. You see, it's a beautiful sunnah. Our beloved Prophet used to do everything at their home. So beta, we learn it from the life of our beloved Prophet. Right? I'm stopping reading over here. So first is your task to read the text. Pause the video, read the text till here, and teacher, because it's a dialogue, I would prefer if you take different characters from the students and make it a dialogue from reading. So pause the video, read this text, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's next is an activity, scanning. I have taught you what scanning means. So we take a big picture and keep cutting it down for the specific information. Okay? So now by scanning, and when we are scanning the text, we need not read each and every word. We quickly just go through the text and reach to the specific information, right? This is called scanning technique. So now you will scan the text and answer the following questions. These are the questions. You will quickly scan the answer and tell the answer to your teacher. Pause the video and complete this task. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here, by applying this scanning technique, you will find the answers of these questions. First, you will tell the answers to your teacher, then you will write these answers in your notebook. You just pause the video and complete this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here's time for your homework. Find beginning diagrams from the lesson and underline them. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what we are going to do? Here is some content. You will read it and you will use the scanning technique to answer these questions. So what we have learned today, we learned to use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of the text from topic and picture, and we learned to locate specific information to answer short questions. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of a text from topic or picture, locate specific information to answer short questions. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow we will continue reading and comprehension of this unit. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.